friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I'm just popping in real quickly to give you a preview of what is coming in my February Life Captured kit. If you remember, in November of 2022, we began working on these wonderful monthly folios. This is a quarterly kit club, and it's using a Simple Stories Life Captured. And we're making all these fabulous little folios, so quick and easy to make. Wonderful if you're a beginner. If you're advanced, you can dress them up. It's just a great way to capture all the little events of 2023. These will sit pretty on your bookshelf. I'm going to build slip cases for them to go into each quarter, and that will be a kit that will be released a little bit down the road. But so far we've done January, February, and March. So we're moving on into springtime. I'm really excited. These are so pretty. Here are the goodies we'll be using for April. We've got this wonderful chipboard frame, some fun little ephemera bits, really cute little embellishments that we're going to add. Of course, we have some baker's twine, which I love, and look at these sweet papers. And I've put together, not all of these papers are from Life Captured. Many are from other collections from previous years, and I've put them together to make a kit that really flows beautifully. So you're going to get this new Color Vibe cardstock, which is gorgeous and so fun to work with. So that's April. This is May. And it's amazing. We have a really good time putting these goodies all to good use. Look at this sweet little umbrella in May. Darling little buttons, more little clips, a little umbrella, really bright and colorful papers that I've coordinated to go with our main papers. We've got our cut apart sheet. We've got a wonderful floral and a gingham check that go together beautifully. And on this page, we can use either this floral and dot, or we can use this pattern on the back. And then more of our Color Vibe cardstock. And then for June, we've got this really fun camera frame. And we've got all these wonderful buttons and embellishments, ephemera, beautiful patterned paper. I'm running out of hands here. Let me set something down. Here's our cut apart page. Just really fun. Did you see the sweet little flower for June? That's so precious. And then a nice bold floral pattern and a really good neutral. And then this wonderful plaid and then navy and green Color Vibe. We're also adding to the kit this time around a whole package of these Color Vibe flower bits. So we can build custom flowers. We can keep these flat or we can elevate them. These are going to be super cute. And then we have these page pieces that we're going to add to the mix that will really brighten things up and make it lively. I'm very excited about this kit. This is a subscription kit. You can order, I believe there are still some kits for the first quarter left. So if you missed the first quarter, you can still sign up now. You can get the kits individually, or you can sign up for the whole year. I think it's a little cheaper if you sign up for the whole year. These will be going live on, I think, the 1st of March. So you'll be getting these in the mail and you'll have time to get them made so that you can capture all the fun events of springtime. So I just thought you'd like to see what I'm working on, and I'm going to get my craft on and get this going. Here's the first look at what we're making this quarter. These are the cutest, just full of really fun spring colors and designs. Here's our April folio, and we've got this cute little typewriter, room here for a little photo, a little journal spot, and of course our little pull-out page. So cute. I'm going to give you a quick peek inside each one. Here's May with these fun butterflies, flowers, and here's our pull-out page. And then June, we've got this fun camera with the button lens. And then a wonderful journaling spot with this fun banner that you're going to learn how to make. Here's our side pocket with our month title and our little ledger card. And you can put photos, more photos into this pocket. This makes such a good planner too. Keeps receipts, all that. Here's this fun little interactive page with our little folio and our little waterfall feature. That's in each of the months. And then here's our pocket on the front of our, so another little photo mat. And this pulls out. You've got 4 panels on this side, and you've got 1, 2, 3 panels on this side with a flip page that gives you room for either journaling or another photo. And then here we are at our back page. We've got a really fun little floral array, our little pocket with a little camera, notebook page, little tag, and a little photo mat. So this is such a fun series. I'm really enjoying the cleaner, simpler design that this collection affords, and I love that these are great for beginners or intermediates. I love you can do them just like I've done them, or you can dress them up and make them fancier. So that is what we're doing for Life Captured second quarter with Button Farm Club. Thanks for joining me, guys. Go get your craft on. Bye.